Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel TechOns. So today I will show you how to get your Instagram profile link by using the Android mobile. At same time, if you are a iOS user, don't worry about it. Also you can try the same method because this Instagram app settings are common for all devices. So anyway, let's go to our tutorial. So first of all, open your Instagram mobile application. So here you can press your Insta profile picture icon and it shows my Insta profile informations. So anyway, here you can go to edit profile. So now it shows my display name, username, website and bio. But simply you can copy this username and close this Instagram mobile app. So if you like to share your Instagram profile link via WhatsApp, just open it. And then I choose one of my friend because I share my Instagram profile link with that particular person. So once you open it and then paste that Instagram username, but don't send this text, which means that you can add this following text in front of this username. So once you add this text and click to send it. So if your friend maybe press this link, it will automatically shows your Insta profile via Instagram mobile app. So by using this method, you can easily share your Instagram profile via WhatsApp or any other social media websites. So friends, if this trick works for you, just leave a one like. So otherwise, just put your valuable comments. So for more tech videos, you can subscribe my beautiful tech channel, TechOns, and thanks for watching.